All right, and good morning, and let's go ahead and continue where we left off from yesterday's video. Got the Corvette pulled out, and can go ahead and start getting these lights up. And again, I'm just going to be doing two on this that way, yeah, that way, on the side over by the window. I think it's going to be enough, especially when there's two more that are going up in this little bay right here. Anyways, I think it's going to be very, very straightforward. These clips are very small, very easy to work with. The light itself is maybe half a pound, maybe a pound. So not even going to try to go into the studs or the joists. I'm just going to put it straight into the drywall. I think it'll be fine. If it's not, well, I've got another follow up video of like, oh my god, I broke lights. But anyways, yeah, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. My biggest concern right now is actually getting them to be straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one in, and yeah, we'll see where we go from there. All right. To save myself a couple trips, just gonna set this first light on top of the garage chain. And I went ahead and paired this smart plug yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up here. Got our power cord back in. All right, let's see where we can actually get this to go. All right, that looks like a good enough spot. I'm just gonna put a mark in the ceiling with my knife. And I'm gonna confirm that this will actually reach when plugged in. Oh yeah, it's fine. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and get the first bracket in. And of course, I left the drill down. Left the drill on the workbench. Let's go ahead and say this is going to go right here. All right, so that's one. And now the hard part is getting this clipped in, or getting the second one up and making sure that it's straight. Well, the mark that I made was not quite in line. I'm gonna call it right there. All right, so both brackets up. There is a plastic film on this that I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Cool. That's one. That's two. These things really do go up pretty dang easily. All right, hopefully that doesn't fall. Just put it on the other track for the garage door. And there's that mark. Cool, so there's one. Flip over to the other side. All right, let's get the second one in. Cool. All right, so here we are. We've got it paired with our Alexa device and still dark in that back corner until Echo, turn on garage. And now there's additional light. Echo, turn off garage. Echo, turn on garage. Awesome, so we have more light down that back side of the garage. And honestly, some of that light's already spilling over onto this side. So when I get these 2 or 3 up, it'll be that much better. One thing that I forgot to do is forgot to put this little cap on that second light just to cover the connectors from corrosion. So I gotta get the ladder back out and go ahead and do that one again. But anyways, that's all we've got on day 21. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one.